AI Companion is a new generative AI tool which enables you to build your own AI characters. Not only you can build your own AI characters on your own data sets, but you can also use few of the existing ones which come pre-built. On your screen, you can see that I am already on AI Companion's website, and there are few characters where you can just go in and chat with these. So if you let me select the Rosie character, which is a house robot who became aware, and it is running on Vicuna 13B large language model. Some of the models also run on OpenAI's ChatGPT, but let's try this Vicuna 13B1. So click here, and then you can just simply start talking with this AI character. Maybe how's your day been? And then press enter. It will go in, process your request, and then will return you the result. So you've seen that it depends on the day of time when you're interacting with it. Sometimes it takes even 3 to 4 minutes, and sometimes it's instantaneous. So let's wait for it to come back. Okay, so it took around 1 minute to come back, which is okay. And similarly, you can keep the conversation going, and there are a lot of other characters which you can explore on your own. I will put the link of this AI companion in video's description. Now, going back to their GitHub repository where their source code is available, you can even install it locally by simply following these quick start instructions. It is quite simple, but I have seen that there are a lot of third-party integrations which you need to do, and that takes a bit of a time. So you not only have to go with the clerk, and also so you need to select which vector DB you want to go with, Supabase or Pinecone. Both are relatively easy, and I have also a video around Supabase which you can check. And for your large language model, you can simply use LangChain, and then all you need to do is to just clone this GitHub repo and then follow these prompts, and it's very easy. I will also create a video around it very soon, and then we'll walk you through step by step. I hope that you liked this new tool. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.